Yo, what is up guys? So welcome back. So actually we're not gonna be playing this. We're gonna be playing another movies. We're gonna play the movies. Escape Royal. Let's play. Let's go. So let's go. I think we start here. I don't know where you go. That player's done. You go this way. I think so. And how did I survive it? Yeah. So, guys, I know why is that guy creeping me out? I know you guys want Fortnite videos, so Fortnite videos are coming soon. I'm just having a problem right now. Oh no, I hate these. And the blue's fake, and what? How did that happen? I had the checkpoint. If you want, because I know some of my followers are French, so if you want, I can make videos in French as well. I could create another channel in French. Nope, okay, we know which red. What? That's actually not things. I thought I took the checkpoint. Am I going the wrong way, maybe? I have no clue if I'm going the wrong way or right way. Actually, I think I'm going the right way because everybody's this way. So, how are you guys living with the new life about homeschooling? So I know it's hard. I find it stressing because we have meetings with our teachers online, so I find it stressing because you have to be there on time. How do you guys feel? For some people, I know for some of my friends, they're finding it better because there's less work. I agree with them, but then you're doing it all at home, so like you're wasting a bit of your time when you could be playing, but then you have more recess as well. So I don't know what you guys think of it. I died. How dumb was that? Why am I so short? Actually, I'm short in real life, but actually I'm not. How are you living with this new pandemic life? I know my parents find it a bit stressing because sometimes I need to help them where they need to. But I find it alright so far. No, I don't. What? It's not even right. That noise was weird. Let's go. Let's get past this level. Oh, I did it. Oh, I did it. If you want, I could also upload some Nintendo Switch gameplay to my channel. Really, just leave it in the comments what you want to see on my channel. Do you want to see like football and hockey? Oh gosh. No! Why? No wait, why? Why do I die? I want to see if this person dies. Wait, no, that's the wrong way. Wait, I don't know where to go. See, some people are going this way. Wait, which way am I going? Down me. Hey, it doesn't stay start, so it's not my fault. I don't know where I'm going. And I'm pressing the checkpoints. What do they want me to do? Seriously. Wait, okay, I was wondering. She was jumping in. So I know it's red now. Except if this is a troll. Let me try blue now. No, not blue. Stop standing on my head, missus. So we know it's red. I swear, this girl follows me. Why don't you go, missus? Ladies first. And no, it's red again. Double red. How am I still alive now? Yellows. Has your guys' life changed since the pandemic? Or do you stay normal? Do you watch more YouTube? I know for me, like I game a lot more, I'd say. Like I'm a lot more on screens. But I don't know how you guys. And you're. Wait, how's she back here? Oh, no. So it's blue. Thanks. Thanks for telling me. Now I have to wait for somebody else. How's she jumping in? She's a hacker. Die. Oh, it's blue again, right? No. I am dying of pain. Do you prefer leave this in the comments. Do you prefer Fortnite, Roblox, or Minecraft? And how did I die? This is so unfair. I swear. Do you guys love, what sports do you love? I know I love, hockey. That's a sport I love. I play it. Not ice hockey, field hockey, but oops. I'm so bad at this. Please just save me. Let's go. I wish these checkpoints actually work, or maybe it's me. Did you just walk, Kristen? So, I think if I'm right. Oh yeah, okay, so it's red, red. No, it's not. It is red, red. Oh, silly. It's only 2 reds, not 3. It's red, red, green. No, red, red, blue, green. Right? No. No, no. Oh, what? When you respawn, you could skip like 1,000 levels. Why am I even going for checkpoints? Wait, what? Wait, I can't remember. Is it blue? I'm going blue. Oh, I'm right. Good. And then it's green. Did it? Oh yay, I'm climbing. How great. So guys, What? Wait, you can run through this? I can do this. I'm a pro climber. Oh right, I am. Wait. She died. These levels always get me. Oh, I did it. Yellers. Where's the end? Where's the end? My question. How high is this? No. No. Oh. Oh no. Wait. Please tell me. I don't have to jump from one to the other, do I? And good. And now I am guys, that is all from me. That Orby is such a troll that the spawn pads don't spawn you again. So let's get it. Bye guys.